What's up everybody, Dash here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the cinematic masterpiece that is Todd Phillips's What now? Huh? Tech review? Smartphone? What's up everybody, Dash here, and today we're going to be comparing two smartphones under 1000 ringgit, the Realme 5 and the Vivo Y17. The question is, which phone is for you? From the front, both devices look pretty damn identical. The Realme 5 has a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a mini drop notch at the top. The Vivo Y17 on the other hand sports a water drop notched 6.35-inch HD Plus display. Round the back, the Realme uses a nano holographic crystal design and comes in either crystal blue or crystal purple. The Vivo has a more subtle color gradient back that comes in either mineral blue or mystic purple. In hand, the phones feel nearly identical, but the curves of the Realme make it more comfortable to hold, while the Vivo is a bit edgier in the corners. As you can see, the difference in screen quality is pretty much night and day here. The Realme 5 has richer colors, deeper blacks, and is much sharper than the Vivo. The Realme 5 is powered by a Snapdragon 665 processor with up to 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. As for the Vivo Y17, the phone runs on a MediaTek MT6765 Helio P35 processor with 4GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage. In terms of raw benchmarks, the Realme 5 has the edge over the Vivo Y17. The Realme 5 is the more powerful device, but gaming performance on both devices doesn't feel too far off. You can play PUBG Mobile at a maximum setting of balanced medium on the Realme, but you can only go up to smooth medium on the Y17. The Realme has a quad camera setup with a 12MP main camera, an 8MP wide-angle camera, a 2MP portrait camera, and a 2MP macro camera. The selfie camera on the front is a 13MP one. The Y17 has a triple camera setup with a 13MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP depth sensor. On the front is a 20MP camera. Images from both phones outdoors are actually pretty identical. The Realme does, however, have the upper hand when it comes to more natural-looking images. The Realme 5 also has the extra macro lens to capture subjects up close and a night mode for less grainy, low-light shots. Moving on to battery performance. Both devices have huge 5000 mAh batteries that provide more than 10 hours of screen on time and over a day's use. Where they differ though is in the way they charge. The Realme 5 charges via a 10-watt charger. The Vivo Y17 has the upper hand with an 18-watt dual-engine fast charging system. The Realme takes about 3 hours to charge till 100%, while the Vivo only takes about 2 hours or less. Lastly, the price. Both phones are pretty much in the same price bracket, with the Realme going for 799 ringgit while the Vivo Y17 is priced at 999 ringgit. As you can see, the Realme 5 definitely has the edge here in terms of price to performance ratio. So, which phone would you pick? The Realme 5 has the edge over the Vivo Y17 in every single category except when it comes to fast charging speed. Yes, the Vivo Y17's camera quality does match up to the Realme 5, but remember, the Realme 5 does have the benefit of macro lens and night mode. So, let us know, which phone would you pick? Realme 5, Vivo Y17? Should I just stick to talking about movies? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Until next time, bye-bye.